Hey, what's up everybody? So welcome to back another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Siri not working in iPhone X, XR, XX Max, so 10, iPhone 10 and any device iPhone 6 plus, 6, 7, 7 plus 8. So how can you fix this? So I have pressed the home button but Siri not worked. So I have pressed and but Siri did not work. So how can you fix this? Simple. Here's two method to fix. First is just go to setting and click on Siri and search. Here's just click on listen for Hey Siri, turn on enable Siri, and after this press home, just click on continue and just click on home enable Siri. So you can select the language from here, voice language. So just go back and now I'll try. So guys, as you can see, Siri has worked right here. So just simply go back and say if still did not work, so second method is just go to setting, click on general and scroll down, click on reset button and click on reset all, enter your password and reset all. So guys, don't worry, your data won't be lost. If still not work, just contact to Apple server. I hope this method will work for you. So guys, thanks for watching and subscribe our channel for more videos.